Next disease is pneumonia. Causative agent of pneumonia is Streptococcus pneumoniae or Haemophilus influenzae. The affected organs are lung alveoli, and the mode of transmission, the disease is transmitted by the droplets or aerosols released by the infected persons in air. It is also transmitted by sharing glasses and utensils with infected person. The symptoms are the alveoli, they get filled with fluid. It includes fever, chills, cough, headache and wheezing. Wheezing is सांस लेने में आवाज़ आती है. Next disorder is common cold. Causative agent is rhinovirus. Affected organs are nose, respiratory passage, but not lungs. If it includes lungs, then it becomes pneumonia. Mode of infection, droplets resulting from cough or sneezing of infected person. They are either inhaled directly or they are transmitted through contamination of objects such as pen, book, cup, doorknobs, computer keyboards or mouse, etc. Symptoms, nasal congestion and discharge, नाक बहता है, sore throat, hoarseness, आवाज़ का भारी होना, cough, headache and tiredness. The symptoms, they usually last for 3 to 7 days. The next is Ascariasis. Causative agent is Ascaris. Affected organ is intestine. Mode of infection, healthy person acquires this infection through contaminated food, water, fruits and vegetables. The eggs of parasites, they are excreted along with the feces of infected person, which contaminates soil, water and plants. Symptoms are internal bleeding, muscular pain, fever, anemia and blockage of intestinal passages. You can see the important symptoms. We have highlighted them by a double arrow. Next is elephantiasis or filariasis. Causative agent is Wucheria, a filarial worm. Wucheria bancrofti and Wucheria malayi. The affected organ is lymph vessels of lower limbs and the genital organs. Mode of infection, the pathogens are transmitted to healthy person through a bite of mosquito vectors. Symptoms, chronic inflammation or swelling of organs in which the parasite live for many years, and this leads to deformities of genital or the reproductive organs. Next is ringworm. Ringworm, the causative agent is fungi, and the fungi belonging to genera Microsporum, Trichophyton and Epidermophyton. The fungi of these three genera, they cause the ringworms. Mode of transmission, the infection is acquired from soil by using or sharing towels and clothes and comb of infected individuals. The symptoms, it is major symptoms are appearance of dry scaly lesions on the parts of the body, skin, nails and scalp. यहाँ पर जो है आपको स्किन पे, नेल्स पे या सिर पे जो है बहुत सारे आपको ड्राई घाव नज़र आते हैं. इंटेंस ईचिंग इन द लीजन्स, बहुत खुजली होती है. एंड हीट एंड मॉइस्चर दे हेल्प फंगी टू ग्रो विच लीड्स टू द फॉर्मेशन ऑफ स्किन फोल्ड्स विच आर कॉल्ड ग्रोइंस बिटवीन द टोज. जैसे गर्मी में पैरों की उंगलियों के बीच में जो इन्फेक्शन हो जाता है, दैट इज़ also because of the ringworms. We can see that the ringworm, this is the white, the fungal infection. This patch is showing the fungal infection, that is ringworm. This is elephantiasis, where the lower limb and the genitals, they are affected because of elephantiasis, that is the filarial worm.